In this video, we'll show you the steps needed to remove and replace a board for your Lumacast Hardwood Tabletop. You will need these items: a Squaretube Bit Screwdriver, a number 2 size square driver bit, a small container or resealable baggie. This should be done on a sturdy and secure flat tabletop area with a towel or other material that won't scratch or damage the hardwood tabletop. Flip the hardwood tabletop over so that the metal base is exposed. Remove the screws from the metal base that are directly attached to the board you want to move. Place the screws in a small container or resealable baggie to keep them safe. Once all the screws are removed, lift one side of the tabletop up. Slide the old board out, set the tabletop back down, and on the old board, remove the rubber gaskets and place those in the same small container as the screws to keep them safe. Get your new replacement board, lay it flat, and position the rubber gaskets on the pre-drilled holes. Lift the hardwood tabletop up and gently slide the new board into position so the holes on the new board line up with the holes in the metal base. Next, secure all the screws onto the new board. Once all the screws have been secured, your hardwood tabletop is ready for use. If you have a compost or recycling bin, you can safely dispose or reuse your old board as they are chemical-free and safe for the environment. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out by phone during business hours or email us at any time. Thank you for watching.